When you own a high-performance vehicle, you are always careful to put premium gas. The same is true in a mechanical room. When you have high-efficiency equipment, you want to make sure you protect that investment. The way to do that is by incorporating a filtration system, a water filtration system. So not only are you doing it for your equipment to protect that investment, but you're doing it for yourself. You're doing it for your health of yourself and your families. And you want to make sure that you're taking away as many particles as you can. In this situation, you're protecting your boiler, your hot water tank, etc. by taking all those harsh chemicals and particles out. There's always construction happening all over the city. They're tapping into the lines, they're replacing pipes, and all those particles are streaming through the water system. Although the water is good, the particles are bad. So you're protecting also your body. How clean the water is determines how clean you feel after you shower. You want to protect your fixtures by eliminating all the calcification that can and will build up on it over time. And you're protecting your mechanical equipment at the end of the day. So think about a water filtration system when you're building your system.